Join me today as we take my bone broth and the bones that I used and pulverize those into a nutritious treat for my dog. So I'm just going to make my bone broth as I traditionally do. I've got my bones and vegetables and water, as well as seasonings that I add to it, and a little bit of apple cider vinegar. So this is what I've done. This is all cooked down. There's bones, there's fat, there's leftover meat, and I'm just going to add this to my Ninja and pulverize it. I drain it first, and then we're going to add it to the Ninja. So I'm just going to spoon small amounts in here. Now, these particular bones have cooked for 36 hours. So they are quite brittle and crumbly and are going to mash up nicely. I'm going to add a little bit of water to this. Add it into my Ninja. And I'm just going to pulse it. I'm going to open it up and see how it's doing. Yeah, it's doing great in here. By the way, this Ninja is great for making baby food too. I'm just going to pulse it a little bit more, or I should say blend it. And then from there I can either take it out and add some more. So I'm going to add a little bit more and keep going. But again, I like to just do it in small amounts so as not to overwhelm my Ninja. And so I have small amounts to work with. Add a little bit more water. But your dogs are going to absolutely love this. And then I'm going to measure this into smaller containers and freeze it, what I don't need, and then take it out a little bit at a time, and then I'll put 2 to 3 tablespoons in my dog's regular dog food. And each one of this size will last me about a week. Then I have some smaller ones as well. But again, I'm just going to reach in there, measure it out. It doesn't typically pour very well. Let's see if we can get it to pour. Yeah, nope. Too thick for that, but you can see the consistency of what that's like. Might come out a little better with my spatula. But boy, is he going to love this, and all of those good grass-fed, pasture-raised bones with all the nutrients and the marrow and everything that gets in there is going to be so great for his digestive tract, his bones, and his overall health and well-being. Now, bones are a natural source of calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and other minerals, and they also contain collagen, iron, and vitamin B. So that's some of the benefits of these pulverized bones for dogs. And when you do it this way, you're going to avoid the risk of splintering bones, sharp pieces, or any of the other harmful things that can affect a dog with raw bones. So give it a try. I know your dog will thank you. The dog's coat will be shiny and fabulous, and that intestinal microbiome will certainly benefit.